What if the secret to stronger, thicker hair was already sitting in your kitchen? No expensive hair serum, no painful treatments, no complicated routine. Just one powerful ingredient that researchers have studied for hair regrowth: onions. And before you scroll away, this is not one of those fake internet hacks. Because when onion juice is combined with a few simple ingredients, it may help support hair growth, improve scalp health, reduce dandruff, and even help people dealing with thinning hair or patchy hair loss. Today, I'll show you a powerful, upgraded version of this hairspray, how to use it correctly, and the mistakes most people make that stop results from happening. Hair loss affects millions of people across America every year. Some people notice thinning around the hairline. Others lose hair from stress, poor nutrition, hormones, scalp inflammation, or autoimmune conditions like alopecia. The good news? Your scalp is a live tissue, and when you improve scalp circulation, reduce inflammation, and nourish the hair follicles correctly, your hair may begin growing healthier again. That's where this natural onion remedy becomes interesting. Why onion juice works. Onions are packed with sulfur compounds. Sulfur is important because your hair is mostly made from a protein called keratin, and keratin depends heavily on sulfur. But that's not the only reason onions are special. Red onions also contain high levels of quercetin, a plant compound studied for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. This matters because inflammation around the hair follicle can weaken hair growth over time. Some studies also suggest onion juice may help support circulation in the scalp and improve the environment around hair follicles. And if you struggle with dandruff or scalp irritation, onion juice also has natural antimicrobial properties that may help balance the scalp. The basic hair growth spray recipe. Here's the simple version first. You'll need 1 organic red onion, blender, cheesecloth or strainer, small spray bottle or container. Directions: cut the onion into small pieces and blend it until smooth. Next, strain the mixture using a cheesecloth to separate the juice. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle. That's it. How to apply it correctly. This step matters more than people think. First, wet your hair slightly, then spray the onion juice directly onto the scalp, especially in thinning areas. Massage gently for 3 to 5 minutes. This helps improve circulation and allows the mixture to reach the hair follicles. After applying it, cover your hair with a shower cap. Leave it on for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then rinse thoroughly and shampoo twice. Most people worry about the smell, but washing twice usually removes it completely. Use this treatment 2 times a week for at least 4 to 6 weeks. Many people begin noticing improvements around week 3 or 4. The upgrade that makes it more powerful. Now let's upgrade this recipe. Add 5 drops of rosemary oil to the onion juice. Why rosemary oil? Because studies have compared rosemary oil to popular hair loss treatments and found it may support hair growth naturally. Rosemary oil may help improve scalp circulation, reduce inflammation, support healthier follicles, and strengthen weak hair roots. When combined with onion juice, the mixture becomes much more powerful. The fermented version. Now, here's the advanced version almost nobody talks about: fermented onion hairspray. Fermentation can increase beneficial compounds and create a more scalp-friendly pH. Here's how to make it. Blend 1 red onion, strain the juice, add the juice to a mason jar, add 1 cup of water, add 1 teaspoon sea salt, add ½ teaspoon raw honey. Cover the jar with cheesecloth or a coffee filter. Leave it at room temperature for 72 hours. You may notice tiny bubbles forming. That's a sign fermentation is happening. After 3 days, strain again and store the liquid in the refrigerator. Apply it exactly the same way, twice weekly for several weeks. Important hair growth tips. Even the best hairspray won't help much if your body lacks nutrients. Healthy hair follicles need protein, iron, zinc, vitamin D, and omega-3 fats. Low vitamin D levels are commonly linked to hair thinning. Sunlight, sleep, stress management, and nutrition all play a huge role in healthy hair growth. And remember, hair regrowth takes consistency. Natural remedies are not overnight miracles, but when used correctly and consistently, they may support healthier, stronger hair over time. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more science-backed natural health tips. And if you try this onion hair growth spray, comment below and share your results. Your experience could help someone else struggling with hair loss right now.